Hello guys, for many of you guys across the world, it's a snow blizzard here in NYC. It's ridiculous, guys. I'm going to show you. Well, I came outside because I actually wanted to bring the kids out, but it's not going to happen because the snow is ridiculously high. Oh my goodness, the wind is so heavy. So they are so small, guys, and they will get lost in the snow. Actually, they will get so lost in the snow. So we came out here to check it out, to see what's going on, the depth of it, and it ain't gonna happen for them. So look at this. It is nasty out here. And Shania's over there in front of the building, hiding. Oh my God. Why are you laughing, Shania? There goes Shania, guys. Look at this. She's trying to fall. Let's go. We're gonna go up the block. Why not? Why am I mad? We're going up the block. Guys, look at my feet. Look at my feet. You see this? Look at this. This is how high the snow is. Look, my feet goes in. Look at that. It's ridiculously high. I mean deep, you know? Come on, Shania. We're gonna go up the block. Oh my God, look at this. This is ridiculously high. Look at this. Yo, yeah. Bring the kids out here. Look at this. Oh my God. It's ridiculous. Come on, Shania. Look at this. We cannot bring them out here. This is crazy. See, look at my knees right here. See? Look at that. It's high, but we got the footwear on, guys. This is what you call the Uggs boots. The timber boots, guys. They're good for the snow. So, we're going to start walking up the block. Come on, Shania. Oh my God. Come on, Shania. See, we're the two Bobsy twins, guys.
I don't look like that.
Oh, yes, you do.
No.
Oh my God, it is crazy out here.
I'm on my tippy toes right now.
She on her tippy toes.
I'm trying to fall.
It's crazy out here. Oh my goodness. The babies can't come out here in this, guys. I don't even think like when it's tomorrow or so, when it's gonna be over, they still can't come out either because
No, they could come out, but
probably in front of the building. And we be the lifeguards for them just in case they go underneath the snow because it's ridiculously. Oh my God.
lose a couple of pounds.
Lose a couple of pounds. So, guys, we'll be back. So, Shania and I is on the main road, guys. It's like a dead zone. Anyone is already out here. Oh my God. We're in the main zone. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm saying, Shania. It's so cold out here.
Zone. This is called fun zone.
Fun zone. She said it's a fun zone. See? Look, guys. See?
Yankee Pitney loves snow.
See the train tracks and all of that. We're taking a walk to the store. We don't really need anything out here, but I need to get this bottle for Zion. But if the store is open, we get it. But if not, we go right back home. Yeah. I think over here in New York, guys, the mayor is calling for the roads to be closed. Like, people not supposed to be driving because it's dangerous. Yeah, so it's ridiculously dangerous here, guys. Oh. Shania, come on, help me with this, please. Oh. Oh. I know, right? Oh. There are some other people walking by. Think we crazy out here doing vlogs and stuff. They don't know what we're doing, just with the camera. Oh my goodness. What you say, Shania?
Nothing. I'm singing to myself.
She's singing to herself, guys. So as you can see, where we going, we walking. So yes guys, look, this is the direction that we go in. Just showing you a few steps ahead of us. Yeah, see that? My regular place area, but not close to the house. Not too close, but there it is. So guys, we're heading home, but first
Oh my God.
we stopped at the supermarket to get a few things and we're headed home. I can't even see guys. Oh my gosh. See that? Whew. I can't even see guys. We're heading home. Shania want me to make her chicken guys. So I went to get some chicken. We're gonna cook a little meal today. This is the weather for it. Shania, wait for me. Oh my goodness. Whew. Guys in the few because I can't see where I'm going. Shania, come here. Can't even see where I'm going. Look at Shania guys. She's all buttoned up. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Can't even see. Look at this. What are we doing out here? You think we're crazy? But we're gonna head on home now, guys. Just hold on. Are we seeing if we don't know? Also, guys, we heading down this hill to go home. It's not the weather to be outside, but sometimes you got no choice. Ooh. Let me show you Shania going on the hill. She running home, guys. Shania ain't playing no games. What you said? You trying to go home? You can't. Oh my God. So guys, we will see you later. Who knows what the rest of the day might bring. We're heading on upstairs. Oh my goodness. You have the door, Shania? So we see you guys later. Oh my goodness. Were you kicking off your feet? Okay guys, see you later. So here is my chicken in progress. This is what you call a brown stew chicken, but before that I have to fry it. Yes guys, I'm frying it first. So this is the first process of it. So when I get it to the stewing part, I'll be back to show you guys the rest of it. So hang tight. So here is the stewing session, or should I say portion. So as you can see, I have onion, bell pepper, and carrot, and you put some water in there and let it boil until where the gravy is thick. So that's what that is going on right now. So see the steam coming out of there, guys. Yeah, so when it's done and finished, I'll be back again, guys. So here we go, guys. Here is my stewed chicken done and ready to go. Waiting for my rice to be finished. It's not done yet, but this is my stewed chicken here, guys. So yeah, and that's it for my stewed chicken. What did you say, Kamira? What happened? Say hi, everybody. Say hi. What are you doing in the kitchen? You cooking with me? Huh? You waiting for your chicken? Huh? You being shy today? Huh? Come here, I'm talking to you. What are you folding? Huh? Yes, guys. So lastly, this is my rice. Has like 5 minutes left. I have corn in it, guys. So maybe you guys can try that. It tastes good. The kids love when there's corn in their rice. I don't do it that often, but today I decided to do it. So this is the last portion of my cooking. Let me cover that back. Yeah. Hey, Papa. Outside is too cold for you. No outside for you with that snow. My baby get lost in the snow. Right? Right, Papa? It's too cold outside for me. Right? Say, hey, Zion. Hi, Papa. You're not smiling? Why you so serious? Serious? What happened? Look, Zion. Hey. Hi. Say hi, everybody. Hi, guys.
Hi, Mommy. You wanna leave me alone?
We were not leaving you alone? What happened? JJ, you guys gonna go play in the snow?
Yeah!
JJ, you wanna play in the snow?
I like snow.
You like the snow?
I wanna go on the bicycle with the snow.
You can't go on the bicycle with the snow.
But my snow.
No, the bicycle
my
won't move.
bicycle.
Y'all go play tomorrow, okay?
But my bicycle do move.
Huh?
My bicycle do move in the snow.
No, the snow, you can't ride no bike out there. I almost got lost in the snow.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
No snow.
You don't want to go in the snow?
No.
You gonna get cold?
No, I'm too cold.
You gonna be cold?
Mommy.
Kamira, you wanna go in the snow? Kamira,
Mommy.
answer me. You gonna go in the cold? In the snow?
Naya.
You gonna put on your gloves?
Naya.
Huh?
Mommy.
Hmm?
I got Spider-Man gloves.
Yeah, I know.
I want to give a hug.
Who you wanna give a hug?
I want to give a hug to my daughter.
Okay, where is it? So you ready to play inside with your toys and forget no outside, right?
Yeah.
Right, JJ?
Yeah. We also play with Legos.
Kamira. Kamira,
Mommy.
you staying inside?
And mommy.
Hmm?
And also play with Legos too.
Okay.
I want to play the Legos.
You gonna play with the Legos?
Yeah.
All right.
Up.
Huh?
Up.
You move up?
Yeah.
Kamira,
Mommy.
where's your Lego?
Mommy. Mommy.
Where's your Lego?
Mommy. Mine was up down.
Huh?
Mommy.
The Legos in your room?
Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Up down.
All right. So as you can see, guys, these kids wants to play inside. They don't want to be going outside. They're scared of the cold. Yes, yes, Chummy.
Also the zipper to pull up all this.
Mhm.
Then open it.
Okay.
See?
You gonna play with the Lego, JJ? You gonna play with the Lego?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see? All of the Legos in here.
That's your Legos?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy, bring it for me.
All right. Okay, so go ahead and play. All right.
Yeah. Mommy, yeah. I make it.
All right. So play, make your stuff. All right. Play.
Okay. Up, down.
Up, down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy,
Good morning, guys. Well, today is the day aftermath. Outside is sun. The sun is shining. It looks beautiful, but the snow is like climbing Mount Everest, guys. I'm out here to get something that I forgot, but it's no biggie. And I have to tell you, this is the part of the snow I don't like, guys. When it's underground and it's accumulating and everybody's digging and the cars is struggling to go over the bumps and the traffic. Oh my God, it's hilarious. Like, I want to say hilarious, but I'm like, oh my God, it's a lot. I mean, in front of my house, there were people that's been digging out their cars out of the snow for like about 2 hours. And I'm like, oh my God, imagine if I had my car. I mean, my car would be sitting there in the snow because I would not know what to do with it. Yeah, so that's that. But I'm gonna show you. I'm inside the car right now. I'm trying not to go outside, but eventually after I'm gonna show you guys what outside look like. Just give me a second. So yes, guys, you see I'm inside of the car, and this is a block. Actually, this is a street that people gotta go up. All the snow is in the street. You can't even go anywhere. You understand? See, that man is trying to climb over the snow and stuff like that. I'm just showing you. And this is like the main road. Look at the snow, guys. Yeah, I'll show you on the other side. See that? People's digging out their car and stuff. Yeah, this is the snow life in New York City, guys. But we gotta have to deal with it some way, somehow. You know, we can't get around it. We just have to, you know, do what we gotta do. So see you guys in a few.